Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about the top best vacuum for car interior you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. It is necessary to keep the inside of your car clean, even if you're the only one who sees it. Not only can dirt, dander, dust and crumbs make your car feel less comfortable, but allergies and other conditions can be irritated by the buildup of debris. There are several vacuum cleaners designed specifically for smaller spaces, making it easy to clean and preserve your vehicle's interior as a spotless sanctuary. They're more maneuverable than regular household vacuums and most shop vacs, and many are cordless and lightweight. They're uniquely for your car though, as most are too small or not powerful enough to clean a house, the Dyson V11 excluded. Vacuums for cars come in handy. Finding the cleaner is right for you is the only hard part. Should you get a vacuum cleaner that's wet/dry? A model with a cordless battery? With a portable vac? We've compiled a list of the best car vacuum options that cut across categories, making it a virtual lock that you'll find something that works for you. Based on their customer satisfaction ratings, here are 8 of the best car vacuums on the market. I have prepared this video guide for the best vacuum for car interior to give you the ins and outs to help you make the right choice. So let's get started. 5. Makita XLC02R1B. The cordless vacuum Makita XLC02R1B is sleek and simple. Specifically, this strong suction tool is intended to target upholstery and other automotive and household applications such as stairs and even floor surfaces. The vac comes with a battery and charging device from Makita that you can use with Makita-compatible equipment. A standard handheld vac style keeps the Makita XLC02R1B compact and featherlight. You can incorporate an extension nozzle, a crevice tool, and an 8-floor attachment to aid in a range of cleaning applications while keeping things lightweight and efficient. To trap particles large and tiny, the vacuum utilizes a bagless, 2-stage filtration device. The filters are washable and reusable, and when you wash the others you can buy extra filters to keep the air flowing. 4. Foxnovo Portable 12 volts. The Foxnovo car vacuum cleaner is functional and portable, at a value price. This little lightweight system can go along for the ride. The manufacturer explicitly built it for individuals inside the boundaries of the car to run and store it. Any useful accessories and a carrying bag capable of holding the full spread come with the vac. It's rare to find wet/dry cleaning capabilities within a compact hand vac at a low price. However, the Foxnovo vac can handle it. The bin of debris is wide and semi-translucent so that users can see how much yuck it has sucked. The method is quick and fairly clean. When it comes time to dump the dirt, a lid opens with the flip of a switch, freeing the contents from the vac. Keeping suction flowing is easy. A 12V cord powers the vac, which plugs into a car charging port. No batteries or AC power outlets and cords are necessary. The Foxnovo also comes with a washable stainless steel filter, which is durable and easy to clean. 3. Black Plus Decker Max Lithium. The Black & Decker Max Lithium pivot vacuum, regardless of its angle, has the movement to strike just about any use. The main nozzle rotates up to 200 degrees and provides some extra cleaning power to crevices, upholstery, and dusting dilemmas with an onboard brush built into it. The vacuum's bagless, 3-stage filtration system handles fine particles and captures and contains dust. The size of the dustbin is average and can be popped open when it comes time to dispose of the collected debris. The Max Lithium Pivot Vac, small in size and weighing less than 4 pounds, will go almost anywhere. It is possible to store and charge this handsome vac in a sleek docking station, so it looks nice during the rejuicing process. 2. Holife 3MO36BW. The Holife handheld vacuum cleaner can look like a typical dustbuster, but there is much more to this cleaning tool. The wet/dry vacuum is simply a cordless cleaner, sucking up spills as quickly as dirt and other dry debris. Its lithium-ion battery extends cleaning time, and 6 kPa of solid suction is provided by the powerful motor performance, good for a handheld. As with most handheld cleaning devices, Holifes can be used on minor household messes, as well as cars. One user review on the official website touts the product's ability to pick up cat litter. This makes it an easier alternative to vacuuming. Basically, with a Holife model, there's nothing too fancy, but this hand vacuum works really well. It sells on Amazon for just $40, making it an affordable and powerful auto-detailing helper. 1. Hoder Car. An performance model is the Hoder Car vacuum dustbuster style. The Hoder is one of the lightest choices available at just 2.44 pounds, which makes it easier to navigate in a car or clean for longer periods. You will have less to think about during a car wash with the long power cord, 16.4 feet. One thing to note about the Hodor, the description on the Sears website notes that the vacuum has trouble picking up debris such as pet hair. If you have a pet that regularly rides in your car, it may be a good idea to consider a different car vacuum. That said, when it comes to price, it's going to be hard to beat the Hodor vac. It normally sells on Amazon for $40 and has a crazy low price for an elite cleaning machine. Its rating on the same site currently sits at 4.3 out of 5 with nearly 10,000 reviews. This means, without breaking the bank, you can maintain a dirt and dust-free vehicle. So guys, this was the video about the best vacuum for car interior. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.